Welcome, TechnologyAdvice viewers, to this week's Product Spotlight. Joining me today is Sarah Holtgren, the U.S. Marketing Officer over at Cezanne, an HR software provider. Thanks so much for joining me today, Sarah. Really looking forward to our conversation. We'd love to start it off with first question. Can you describe Cezanne in one sentence?
Cezanne HR is a powerful global cloud-based HR system aimed at mid-sized or growing companies that provides everything you need to effectively manage your organization while still being affordable to companies of every size.
And so what differentiates Cezanne from other HR software providers out there?
There are quite a few things that differentiate us from our competitors. One is that Cezanne HR was built for the cloud by a team of people that until a few years ago were building HR systems for very large corporations. They knew that the HR issues faced by the largest companies were pretty much the same as small and mid-sized companies. So they sought out to strike a balance between those two things, making it easy to use but robust and comprehensive. And also we were born in Europe, so we were built to be used globally. We can help you stay legally compliant internationally and domestically. We're currently being used in 50 countries around the world, and it's available in 6 languages. So it's great for companies with international offices. And it's a modular system, so you only pay for what you need. Starting with our core HR, you'll get a ton of people reporting functionalities, manager and employee self-service, an HR portal, and then from there you can add on modules for absence, performance management, time tracking, and recruitment from the start or as you grow bigger.
Got it. Well, who's the ideal customer for Cezanne? Is it a large company, a small company, a quickly growing company? Who are you guys looking to work with?
Because of our functionality and scalability, it's appropriate for companies across pretty much every business sector, but the person that would get the most out of Cezanne HR would be a company with about 100 to 1,000 employees, with offices in multiple locations, either domestically or internationally, and that is outgrown or plans on soon outgrowing their paper files and HR spreadsheets.
Got it. Well, next question. I'd love to hear more about your pricing model. How does it scale and how is it structured?
So it's $2 per employee per month for each of our 5 modules. So if you're using the core people module, you'll pay $2 per employee per month. And if you're using people, absence, and performance management modules, you'll pay $6 per employee per month.
Makes sense. Well, what's a current limitation for Cezanne? What's something that you're maybe working to improve or something that you'd admit that maybe the competition does better than you?
I think our biggest limitation that our customers see is that we've chosen not to offer an in-house payroll solution. So although sometimes they're grouped together, we feel like payroll and HR tracking are 2 very different disciplines, and focusing on a robust HR platform was the best choice for our customers. But we do have the ability to interface with any payroll system and export data.
And final question, would love to hear a best practice. What's something that you like to recommend to customers right before they implement Cezanne?
The system actually provides a lot of best practice framework. So it tells you kind of what HR data is important, how best to organize it. You can put in what kind of approval processes you want and how to keep HR data safe. So my advice is to just jump in. The system is ready to use, and we've made it really simple for companies to get up and running. So you just transfer all of your existing employee data onto our template, and we'll help you upload the data. And if you ever feel like you need a helping hand, we have a ton of user articles on Zendesk, and we have a phenomenal customer support team that's always ready to share their expertise.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Sarah. I really appreciate it. I know I certainly learned a lot. And if your viewers would like to learn more about Cezanne or other HR software out there, go ahead and check out our website, technologyadvice.com, where we can help you find technology that fits the needs of your work.